Local news for Thursday, May 28th. The SPCA have relaunched their desexing campaign and microchipping campaign in Wairarapa. Running until the end of August, they're heavily discounted desexing and microchipping for pet owners for a limited time. Pet owners in the Wairarapa can snip and chip their cats and dogs for just a donation to help cover costs. The Masterton District Council have voted to raise rates by only 2% rather than the previous average of 6%. With some areas previously set to rise to nearly 10%, this should soften the blow. The Town Hall has a stay of execution as well as the skate park, which will have a major makeover to the tune of over $1 million. Wellington Regional Business has distributed more than $1 million to nearly 500 businesses in the Greater Wellington region. The vouchers they've distributed are for professional services, with 20 given to South Wairarapa, 9 to Carterton and 26 to Masterton. And the Beautiful Awards celebrating environmental excellence this year have got the entries open until the 5th of August. Winners will be announced at a gala dinner held at the Domes at Auckland Zoo at the end of October. And Talent Wairarapa has been cancelled for this year but is set to make a return in 2021. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.